Earn with Canva AI in 2026. No experience needed. What if I told you that you can make money online using just Canva, even if you have zero design experience? And the best part? Canva now has AI that can do most of the work for you. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method to start earning with Canva AI today. Welcome to Digital Income Hub, the channel where we share simple ways to make money online, passive income ideas, and powerful digital tools anyone can use. If you want to learn how to turn free tools into real income, make sure you watch this video until the end. Step 1. Open Canva and use Canva AI first. Go to Canva and create a free account. Inside Canva, you'll find AI tools like Magic Design, text-to-image, and AI writing tools. These tools allow you to generate designs, images, and even content automatically. For example, you can type a prompt like, "Create a motivational Instagram quote design." In seconds, Canva AI generates a professional design for you. Step 2. Create simple digital products. Now use Canva AI to create digital products that people buy online. Examples include Instagram quote templates, YouTube thumbnails, business logos, digital planners, printable wall art. You don't need to be a designer. Canva AI helps you generate the design instantly. Just edit the colors, text, or style to make it unique. Step 3. Sell your designs online. Once your designs are ready, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr, Gumroad, Creative Market. For example, people sell printable wall art created with Canva for $5 to $20 each. If you upload multiple designs, this can turn into passive income. Step 4. Offer Canva design services. Another way to earn is by offering simple design services. Many small businesses need social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, logo designs. You can create these using Canva AI in minutes and charge clients for the service. Many freelancers make money every day doing exactly this. Bonus tip: here's a quick tip that can increase your earnings. Create design bundles. Instead of selling one design, sell a pack of 20 or 50 templates. Bundles sell faster and can bring in more income. So to recap, making money with Canva AI is simple. 1. Use Canva AI to generate designs. 2. Turn them into digital products. 3. Sell them online or offer design services. You don't need experience, expensive software, or advanced skills. Just creativity and consistency. If you enjoyed this video and want more simple ways to make money online using AI tools, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Digital Income Hub. And comment below, AI income, if you want more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video on Digital Income Hub.